So last we discussed about pre-order, in-order, post-order, and last one level of order. It is very simple order, simple one. So take input as one binary tree. Take input as one binary tree. Okay. So construct a binary tree like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So this is a binary tree. So each node at one level, this is a level 1, this is level 2, this is level 3. Okay, so based upon the level, the elements is arranged in order. So first visit level 1 elements. Level 1 is having how many elements? Level of order. Level 1 having how many elements? Only 1. So that is A. So this is level 1 is visited successfully. Next visit level 2. Level 2 having how many elements? B and C. Where read the elements from left to right. B, C. Level 3 having how many elements? D, E, F, G. Okay. So this is the level of order. So read the elements level by level from left to right until to read all the levels of elements in the tree. Okay, that's it. As students, today going to discuss one interesting topic, construction of binary trees. In the previous class we discussed about by using binary tree we are making order of the tree in order, pre-order and post-order. Now we are taking a order as a input, in order, pre-order, and make a construct those order, take the those order and make a binary tree. So let us take example. So I think you know very well about pre-order, in order. So take two orders as an input. Okay, I will take a pre-order is like this, in order this. So in examination point of view, they ask a question, construct a binary tree using any of two orders. But one thing you have to remember, the question, in the question the must and should they will give the in order. It is a mandatory to construct a binary tree. Without in order we can't able to construct. Okay, in the place of pre-order they will give the post order. So combination, if you take any two combination, but in order is a mandatory input. So pre-order, post order will be changed according to the question. So from this example they give in order and pre-order, construct a binary tree. So here the important point is in order use for to find left and right childs, and pre-order use for to find root node. Okay, so this is a very important point you have to remember before constructing the binary tree. So once again, in the question the inputs are in order, pre-order, and the question is construct a binary tree using these two orders. So in order especially using for to find left and right child of the trees, and pre-order used for what is the root or parent node of the tree. Okay, so from this first you have to find the root. So you have to find the root, you have to go to pre-order. So pre-order is A. So from this pre-order we are finding the root, that is A. So then if you want to find the left and right childs, left and right childs, where you have to find? Using in order sequence. Okay, in order, first already we are visiting the A, and which is the left and which is the right, those are make it as a left child and right child. So this is the construction of the binary tree using in order and pre-order. I hope you all are understood. Once again, so the question they clearly mention in order and pre-order to construct a binary tree. So in order using for just to find the left and right child of the node, and pre-order using for just locating what is the current root node and parent node. So only for that you are using pre-order. If you find the left and right, go for in order sequence. Example, take different order. One is in order, another one is a post order. Already we know that what is the use of in order. While by using in order pre-order we construct already binary tree. So then take another two inputs, in order and post order. So same post order use for to find root or parent node, same as a pre-order. So first you have to find root or parent. So go for post order. Which one is? So one thing, your post order can come from right to left. Pre-order go for left to right. So post order is A. So A is the first node. Next, for who are the childs of A node, go for in order. So where the A is, first identify the A, because of already A is visit. So which are the currently left side of the A and right side of the A, so those are become a childs of A. Okay. So this is the simplest method to construct. Either in order to pre-order we can make a binary tree, or they will give the in order to post order, we are easy to construct a binary tree. Let us take another example to construct binary tree. Example, the order is was lengthy. Okay, take this as an input. The question they will ask, construct a binary tree using following orders. The following orders they will give already given pre-order and in order. Okay, so first you have to construct a root. So for root or parent, to find the root or parent, first you have to go for pre-order. Pre-order we can move from left to right. So from this example, what is the first node in the pre-order? So we can move from left to right. First left is A. A is ready. Next, so once the root node or parent node are created, then go for what are the childs of A. So how to find the childs? Go for in order. Where A is already visit, mark the A. So A is already in the list. What is the left and what is the right of A? So who are the elements are having left side, who are the elements are having the right side, those are make it as a left and right childs. Okay, so now D, B is a, this is the order is the left side, remaining is F, C, G, this is order is the right side. Next, so next the tree, in the tree every child having only one node, but here having three nodes, here also having three nodes. So split the node into single node. So DBE combination first we have to search, and that means next we have to find the root of these combinations. So what is the combination? DBE. So B, D, E. So whatever the same combination not to be there in the pre-order, whether 3 elements are present continually or not. Okay, first we have to check ikkada unna 3 letters akkada ఏ ఆర్డర్ లో ఉన్నా పర్లేదు, we can mark that 3 combinations. So first here pre-order first we have to find B. So B we are finding pre-order. So to find the chains of the B, go for in order. So B left side is D, right side is E. So then it is split into B, left side is D, right side is E. So it is clear. So all the left side nodes having one element, left side one element, right side one element. Go for right subtree. Right subtree again combination of 3 nodes, again go for pre-order to find the root. So where the 3 combinations FGC or CFG or FGF, a combination అని ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చు. So FGC, here the combination is CFG. So what is the root here? The pre-order which is the first in the pre-order, so that will be make it as a root. Next go for in order C. What is the left side of C? What is the right side of the C? Left side of C is F, right side of C is, okay, that is construction of the binary tree by using in order on pre-order. So they will ask the question for 10 marks. Very important, we have to elaborate the procedure step by step. Method for construction of a binary tree. The previous method we have discussed about construction of a binary tree using in order and pre-order. Now the question is in order and post order to construct a binary tree. So whatever the order they given, but the default is in order. Without in order we can't able to construct binary tree. Okay, so I think you know that which order visit, which one is first, which one is last. In order, first left, next root, next right. Post order, first left, next right, next root. Okay, post means last, root visit last. So post order traverser, we can search the root element from right to left. First rightmost element is A. So A. Then to find the chains of A, then go for in order. Where A, first find out the A. So because of A is already visited. So then who are the left combinations of A? Who are the right combinations of A? Write as it is. So D, B, E is the right leftmost of A. F, C, G is a rightmost of this. So clear up to this? I hope you understood. Next to go for second subtree. So in the tree there is no combination of nodes. You can split it into single node. So now then who is the parent of this combination? First to find out the parent. If you want to find the parent, go for post order. So A is already completed. Next DBE combination. Where the DBE combination? Here. DEB, whatever the order, irrespective of the positions, the 3 elements are continually present in the post order or not. Okay, DBE, DEB no problem, DBE no problem, BEB no problem, where the letters is present in the continually in the same 3 places or not. Okay, so then post order, what is the root among these combination? The post order first root is present at last position. So then B is a root. So I will, B is a root. So I will remove the B, and from the B, to find the left and right child of the B node, go for in order. In order, left is D from the figure, right is E, as clear. Next, rightmost having again 3 combination of letters, then again split into single individual nodes. So then find out this combination in the pre-order first. So this is the combination FGC or CFG or GFC, whatever the 3 letters are there or not in continuous manner. So FGC, FGC, yes, here having FGC. Okay. So pre-order, to find the pre-order, apply the pre-order on these 3 letters. So what is, where the position of root? Root is last. So then here the root is C, root is C. Then go to in order. C left side is F, C right side is G. Okay. So this is the way to how to find out or construct or design a binary tree using in order and post order combinations. If you have any doubt, pause the video and observe carefully and listen carefully, then maybe you got the solution of this. If you have any doubts, ask. Take another example to construct a binary tree using 2 input orders. One is the pre-order and post order. Okay, so before starting to construction of your binary tree, first we have to know the order, which order we are going to visit, in order and pre-order. The pre-order, first we are visit right, root, left to right, in order, left to root and right. So from this example, so first you have to construct root. Without root, there is, if you find out the chains, if you find the chains, that is useless. First to find the root. So root is always to find from pre-order. Okay, pre-order, the root is always the first one. Okay, A. Okay, so same A root also present at in order A. So who are the, from the A, who are having the leftmost, who are the having the rightmost, write as it is. The leftmost is H D I B E, the leftmost. The rightmost is F C I G. So this is the rightmost. Next, among these 5 elements, we need to select only one node to be act as a parent. How to select? The selection of parent and root, which order we are going to visit? Pre-order. Okay, pre-order. So where this combination is present at pre-order, A is already completed. Okay. HDIB, HDIB. This is the continuous order. Okay. So even the position will be changed, but all are present at continue manner. Okay. So from this pre-order, first we have to select the root. So from this order, root is what the first, that is the root. So B is act as a root. From this, B is act as a root. And to find the chains of B, go for here. Go for here. Okay. Now B is a root. What is the left chains? What is the right chain? So divided into one subtree, leftmost subtree and rightmost node. Rightmost node. Again, this is having the combination of 3 nodes. Again, we have to find the parent of this combination. How to find the parent? Again, visit pre-order. Pre-order, we have to check out where this order is present. HDI. HDI. So this is the combination. This is the combination. Among these combination in pre-order, which one is the root in position? Obviously, first position. Now the D will be act as a root. D will be act as a root. So if D will be act as a root, how to find the chains? go for in order. In order. If it is D is a root, who is the left child? Whatever the node is present at the left, that is the left child. Which are the node is present at right side, that is the right. So this is leftmost is clear. All the leftmost subtree is having only one node in the tree. Next, same thing you have to implement at rightmost. Rightmost again having 4 combination F, C, H, G. So among these 4, first we have to select the root or parent. So parent among these 4. So how to find the parent of these 4 nodes? Go again pre-order. So routing, to find the root or parent, go for pre-order. If you find the root in the pre-order, if you find the childs of the node, go for in order. I hope are clear. So then to find the parent of this combination, go this F, G, I, J. F, C, not is a J, not sorry, is a J. F, C, this is the combination is there. So among these, this is the order, this is the sequence order. So who are the parent? Who was the leftmost, that is act as a parent. So from this parent is C. From this parent is C. So to find the childs of C, where we have to go? To C. So who is this? Who is the leftmost? F. Who is the rightmost? I. I think it is a J, sorry, it is a J. I is already visited. J. Again this is having 2 nodes. Among these 2, which one is act as a parent? Go this combination J, G. G, J here. In this combination, who is the root? Which one is the leftmost among these 2 combinations, that is act as a root. So now the root is G. So what is the child? That means J will be present either left or right. So it is a G. J is present and left. So this is the construction of your binary tree from pre-order in order. Okay. Let's consider one more example, but the order is differ here. We are taking as the input is in order and post order to construct a binary tree. So this is a way of questioning in the external examination. So mostly they will ask the 10 marks question or 5 marks question, but the definitely question is came from this topic, construction of the binary tree. Here the order is in order. You know very well about in order importance and post order is importance. In order only using for to find left and right childs. Not able to find the root because of root is present in between of left and right. So in order combination is left, root and right. So we are not able to find the root directly using in order. So that's why we are taking support of pre-order and post-order. Pre-order, post-order, we are using pre-order and post-order, we are easy to find the root because of post-order root is present at last. So then left, right. Okay, so that's why you choose post order only to find the root of the tree, root or parent. So take this example. So post order is from right to left. So what is the rightmost? 1. So that is 1 is act as a root. So then to find the childs of the 1, child of the 1, to go for in order. So first mark the root, it is already visit. So from the 1, who are the nodes are present at leftmost and rightmost, that will be present child of 1, 4, 2, 5 and 6, 3, 7. Okay, that's clear. Now the binary tree, all the nodes are having only one element, but this node having three elements, here also three elements. We need to separate. How to separate? Again find the parent of this three elements. How to find the parent? Go for again post order. Then find out these three elements in post order. 4 to 5. 4 to 5. This is a combination. So place is not important. Either these are present continually or not. 4 to 5 or 5 to 4 or 2 4 5, whatever it order. Either 3 are each other beside the other elements or not. Okay. So then find the post order. 5 4 2. 5 4 2. So where the root place? Root place is last. So then again from these we are take out 4 5, 2 is act as a rooter. Then you have to decide either 5 is the left or 4 is the left, or 5 is the right or 4 is a right. To find that, go for in order position, where the 2 as 2 is find out. 4 is left of the 2 and 5 is right of the 2. As this clear. So leftmost is clear, each node having only one element. Then go for rightmost. Again same situation is arise here. 3 6 3 7, all three elements are one at one node. Again make separate all the who is the parent, who is the left and right chain. 6 3 7 combination, we have to find out 7 6 3. So combination is may not be matched, but the elements is both are same. 6 3 7, 3 6 7 or 6 3 7, these are continue elements. So 7 6 3, 7 6 3, where the root is present? At rightmost. Now we are finding root is 7 6 3, root is 3. So now 7 is 6 is either left or right. How to check out either 7 is right or 6 is right? So go to in order. In order, root is 3. So 6 is left child of 3, 7 is right child of the node 3. So I hope all are understood. This is the very important topic for forthcoming examination. So this is the one of definite question from the third unit, construction of the binary tree, or explain any of the tree traversal techniques. Very important. Another very important topic is binary search tree. Okay, so it is a combination of binary search, what we discussed in the last previous units, binary search and binary tree. So present unit. So binary search tree is a combination of binary search plus binary tree is nothing but binary search. So what is binary search? What is binary search? So the element should be in order. The element should be in order. In order in the sense, suppose the elements is like this: 10, 5, 20, 15, 30. So this is the elements, and apply binary search. Apply binary search on those elements. So what is the output? 5, 10, 15, 20, 30. Okay, before binary search, the elements in out of order, not in ascending or descending orders. So randomly it can placed, but once you can apply the binary search, the element should be in order. So 5, 10, 15, 20 and 30. So that is binary search. Next, what about the binary tree? So we know the rules of the binary tree. So binary tree rule is the tree maximum having 2 childrens, 2 childrens or no childrens, childrens having 2 or 1 or 0 childrens. So this is the binary tree rules. So the combination of binary tree and binary search to design a binary search tree. So that is a very important topic. Binary search tree is nothing but the elements should be in order, and to construct these elements in the form of tree, the tree should be follow the binary tree rules. Binary tree rules means already we discussed, the tree will be either consist of 0 childrens, 1 childrens or maximum 2 childrens. That is a binary search tree properties. To construct a binary tree, so the user give the inputs like this: 5, 7, 10, 3, 1, 50. 15. So using these element, how to construct binary search tree? How to construct? First we have to check the elements are in order, elements are order or not. After seeing the elements in order? No, the elements is not order, the elements is not in order. So then apply binary search, apply binary search. So after applying the binary search, the result is become 1, 3, 5, 7, 10, 15. So that is the result. So binary search method is applied successfully because of the elements should be in order. Next, construct a binary tree. So second property is to binary search tree is binary tree. How to construct? Which one is the first node? Which one is the first node? That will be make it as a tree root. That will be make it as a root. Here condition is very important conditions. Condition is left child always less than root. Condition 1. Condition 2, right child always greater than root, greater than root. So very important rules before constructing a binary search tree. So if you take a root, next element going to search, either it is greater, only it can go for rightmost. If it is less, go for leftmost. So from this example, first node is a root, second node is 3. So 3 is compared with 1. So 3 is greater than 1. So it can go only rightmost. Next 5. 5 will be greater than parent. So compare first 5 with 1, go for right, compare with 5, so then 5. Next 7 will be compared with 1, go for, it is greater, go for right, already 3 is there, 7 3 comparison, 7 is greater than 3, go to another right hand side, 5 is already there, 5 and 7, then 7 is greater, next 10 is greater, next 50. So this is the process to inserting the elements based upon the conditions. If it is greater value, always move to the right side of the parent. If it is a lesser value, can move to left side of the node. Okay. So next class we discuss in detail about operations of binary search tree, how to insert the element. If you insert any element, where the element is placed in the binary tree. If it is delete element, how the elements will be rearranged, and also satisfy the conditions of the binary search tree. Okay, and also we are discuss about binary searching techniques. Having two binary searching techniques already. I gave the lab programs, BFS and DFS, binary depth for search and breadth for search. So these all topics will be discussed in the next class. After that, AVL trees, and finally B trees. Okay, thank you.